Cloud Practitioner Certification, Technology section, Database. First topic, Relational Database. In a relational database, data and the relationship between data is stored. Data is stored in tables. Relationships are defined by foreign key columns. For example, in a commenting system, there is user data and user comments. Users are stored in the user table. Comments are stored in the comment table. The relationship between users and comments are defined by the user ID foreign key column of the comment table. In relational databases, structured query language (SQL) is used for data definitions and manipulations. Next topic, Amazon Relational Database Service (RDS). RDS is a managed service which lets you run relational databases in AWS. RDS automates tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups. It provides these database engines: MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle Database, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora is an Amazon database which is compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. Amazon Aurora is 5 times faster than MySQL. Next topic, RDS multi-AZ architecture. A database in a single availability zone is vulnerable to failure. Therefore, you can deploy an RDS instance in multi-availability zones. With multi-AZ deployment, RDS creates the primary instance in one availability zone. In a different availability zone, RDS synchronously replicates a standby instance. In case of an infrastructure failure, Amazon RDS performs an automatic failover to the standby so that your application can resume database operations as soon as the failover is complete. You can also have read replicas in other availability zones. They are replicated asynchronously. To summarize, standby instances are replicated synchronously, and read replicas are replicated asynchronously. Read replicas are only used for read operations to improve performance. Write operations are done only on the primary instance. Next topic, non-relational databases. A non-relational database is a database that stores data without relations. They are also called NoSQL because they don't use SQL as in relational databases. Non-relational databases are used to store unstructured data. Most common types of non-relational databases are key value, document, column-based, and graph. Next topic, key value database. Key value database is a type of non-relational database. In this model, a key is used to store and access a value. Values are not structured. Next topic, document database. A document database is a non-relational database which is designed to store and query data as JSON-like documents. Documents are stored as collections. Data in document database is called semi-structured because they have a JSON-like structure. But all the documents in a collection don't have to have the same structure. So the data structure is not as strict as of relational databases. Next topic, Amazon DynamoDB. DynamoDB, a managed non-relational database which supports both key value and document data models. It stores data as a collection of key value pairs, in which a key serves as a unique identifier. Both keys and values can be anything, ranging from simple objects to complex compound objects. It's highly partitionable and allows horizontal scaling. Next topic, Amazon DocumentDB. Amazon DocumentDB is a native JSON DocumentDB. It's fully managed database, so it makes it easy and cost-effective to operate critical document workloads at virtually any scale without managing infrastructure. It's compatible with MongoDB. Next topic, Amazon ElastiCache. Amazon ElastiCache is a managed in-memory cache. It is used to cache data for faster reads and improve application performance. It is also used to store user sessions. It supports Redis and Memcached engines. Next topic, Amazon Redshift. Amazon Redshift is a data warehousing service. Redshift can run SQL analytics on big data. It is a column-oriented database. This is an important thing to remember. For analytics, column-oriented databases are more efficient. And the final topic of this video is Amazon Neptune. Amazon Neptune is a fully managed graph database. Graph databases are purpose-built to store and navigate graph relationships. Graph databases use nodes to store data entities and edges to store relationships between entities. In graph databases, traversing the joins or relationships is very fast because the relationships between nodes are not calculated at query time but are persisted in the database. Graph databases have advantages for use cases such as social networking, when you need to create relationships between data and quickly query these relationships.